Welcome to Corvette Vlogs on YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at changing out the battery on a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette. And this particular model is the Collector Edition. So you first have to remove this battery cover here. And there's a screw on top, and there's 3 screws in the fender well. And 1 at the bottom. And that is a 10 millimeter. Normally, the Corvette has torque bit screws, and it's a 30 bit that you need. This particular car has a Phillips screwdriver. Alright. And just a reminder, when you take the cover for the battery off, you're going to want to put the cover on the paint side facing up. And there we got the cover off. And once again, 10 millimeter for that screw down at the bottom there. And when you're doing it, do it a little slow so you don't scratch the paint. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to unhook the battery itself. It's kind of a pain. And then there's another one back there that holds down the battery, so when you're going through the curves and all the fun stuff that you do in your Chevrolet Corvette, battery doesn't go flying out of it. And you'll need an extension, and I use that style, and it's a millimeter. I'm not sure what size at the second, and there it is that holds down the battery. And there's the battery being taken out. And this one is a 700 cold cranking amps and a 95 RC. It was a 7-year warranty, and we just missed it for a free battery. And down here in the black with the P on it is your manufacturing date. So this one was built in the 3rd month of 2012. And the last number is the plant that produced the battery. Alrighty, this is the regular professional that I believe. This is the new battery that's being replaced with. It's a 42-month free replacement, AC Delco Gold Edition. And this one was built in 06 of 19 I'm not sure which manufacturer plant it is in. Would have been preferable to get a battery that was another 7-year, but that's the way she skirts. And it's an identical battery. It's just got a different warranty on it. And here is the receipt. So with the core, it's $15 that you pay, and you get that back. The batteries are normally $129.95. So the total was of $155.46. I have GM rewards. I've got my personal vehicle. My other vehicle is a brand new Chevy Silverado, and you get GM rewards when you purchase things from them. And I had a $100 discount, so I used it on this battery. GM rewards is phenomenal. You can use it for pretty much anything in the dealership. Alrighty, Now we're getting ready to reinstall. Normally you might want to clean the inside here. I didn't really see a point. It's really not that bad. If I had more time in the day, I probably would have, but I don't. So, or didn't. So let's get the new battery in. So the first thing that I did here is got the battery in. And what I did was I attached the red terminal first and then the black. As you can see here. And then we moved on to the battery holder. And those are the tools that you're going to need. And this will be the it is a 13 millimeter socket that you're going to need. And once again, you're going to need an extension, 3/4 inch on the regular battery, and a 10 millimeter hex screw. And there is the finished result with everything put back together. And I do suggest testing it out before you start putting it back together. Thank you for stopping on by Corvette Vlogs, and until next time, don't eat the yellow snow.